How to play Roblox on VR. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can play Roblox on VR. To play Roblox on VR, you will need a compatible VR headset. This will include Oculus Quest or an HTC Vive. After that, you will need to install Oculus or Meta Quest. Of course, it depends on the VR headset that you have purchased. For Meta VR headset, download the application Oculus PC. Open any of your preferred web browser and search for Oculus PC app. Tap on this first link to download the application. After you have downloaded the application, then you will need to link cable or enable AirLink. In the Oculus app, enable developer mode. To download this application, scroll down and tap on Download app. Once installed, you will need to connect the VR headset to your computer or PC. You can also learn about it in a whole different web page. Here you will find a detailed information on how you can connect or link your VR headset to your PC. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.